I could tell it's not gonna work at all because what are we doing? What's going on?
And it was like this thing like this, and he had a little vest on that said working.
Working, don't disturb me.
And we had to have in a little plastic bag some things that smell like him. You can get reindeer roast with reindeer goat sausage or tender braised bear.
Cause ain't nothing like some tough bear.
Wir bitten auch die Fluggäste der Boardinggruppe 3 nach.
Hello. Hey, you made it.
Yes, we finally made it. Well, I finally made it.
It's so cool. Hold on. I'm getting this on video.
Oh.
Video. Alright. Did you have that last time? Is that new?
It's new. Well, wait. Did I have it? I didn't. I had a different camera.
Yeah, I read about that. Yeah, that's awesome.
See, I don't know my filter.
people's radar here and they realize that, wait a minute, the whole summer 2024 you're gonna rip open like several parts of the city at the same time.
All at once too, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, how long? But are they more efficient, you think, here with their... No?
It's slow.
It's not like in China or Japan, you know, like they would probably fix this in 2 days. You have 60 workers here doing this are done. Here it's like, you know.
So like the States.
Yes. Yeah. You know, like I don't have to rush.
I'm sorry, we're going on vacation for the month of June.
Yeah,
I'm on my break.
I forgot my, it's okay, I'll get it later.
What?
The sweater.
Are you cold?
No.
Are we gonna get run over?
Yeah, typical police car right there.
Oh, cool.
I think it's kind of strategically placed though, because if there is an emergency, I can see that the Marines or whoever.
Girl, come. No?
Oh, it's red. Sorry.
Oh, it turned.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay. What now? I was on autopilot.
With the U.S. Embassy, it's pretty close. Some technical issue, and then decided, you know what, we're gonna keep the drivers. I think it's a good deal.
Yeah.
So
We're not quite
and
ready.
Stockholm definitely has drivers. It's not only.
I thought that was like the standard thing though, because at the airport I kept saying that it's because it's right.
There's one particular, because there's like a couple coffee chains. Yeah, so when I go, some of my friends are like, hey, let's have coffee. And then by the time we know it, everyone's on to not coffee. It's a nice place.
Yeah.
Where the groceries are coming from the delivery robots.
Oh.
So now-
yeah, it's right there. Yeah.
Yeah, these are being tested, so
Yeah.
now they drive around.
They work winter and summer.
Yeah,
so.
it was funny to see them get stuck in the snow.
Yeah.
But they kept telling people, don't help them, let them figure it out.
Yeah.
It looks lost a little bit.
Yeah, let's see. I think it's just waiting to cross the street, and because there's no traffic light, so it doesn't really know when. But it has radars and stuff. Shall we check it? Because it should go soon.
The back says open here, so when you get there, you open
Yeah.
it with your app and you flip open the back.
But it literally is waiting. And this flag is pretty cool because it lights up pretty nicely when it's dark.
But this one belongs to S Market, so it's from right there.
No, Alepa. It's. Oh yeah, other side it said Alepa.
So they just sent.
Are
Oh.
you sure?
And here's where we live.
And it's been raining, and it was just weird that these leaves came off the street.
I was like, what is that?
Yeah, so they're leaves.
Okay.
It's slippery.
Yeah. So it's
Little coffee shop. Sometimes I have a friend who lives in the area. Because we both work remotely, so sometimes she'll call me and she'll be like, hey, you want to have lunch? And then we'll just meet over there.
Okay.
Sometimes it's the only person I'll see in my work day.
It's pretty peaceful. Is it always peaceful like this?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes you'll have the little teenagers who are gremlins.
Oh.
I think that's every country.
Oh, okay. Cool. That sounds creepy,
No,
but I know what you.
No, we're not.
Well, the security, the little thing.
Yeah, they don't record them.
Kari
It's,
accidentally
not
left
in
him on the
recording mode,
balcony.
it's just surveillance.
And we
I'm
have
not
this.
on the run. I'm okay.
This is a side window that we have the AC going out.
Yeah,
now.
that's just
Normally
a
it's
homemade
window
little
that
AC thing,
opens
and
and
it-
shuts.
Oh.
And when he got locked out on the balcony, I think he thought he could crawl back in that side window,
Yeah.
and he couldn't, and he fell.
He fell.
And that's why we now have a net.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh!
So-
Did he land on his feet?
I don't know what he landed on because we had to go hire a little search dog that came and sniff for him.
Yeah.
And he was gone for 24 hours. It was a whole
A
thing.
search dog?
Yeah, I thought I was just sitting here crying. My friend came over, Katarina came, and I was just walking around crying, calling his day.
How long ago was that?
When he was 1, so 2 years
2
ago.
years ago, yeah.
I didn't know you could just hire a search dog like
Yeah,
that.
there's a whole, there's a bunch of foundations
Oh, okay.
that they have dogs ready for animals that disappear. Like, for example, this dog had found a pig, some kind of big turkey or something, and then several cats and a goat, or like it was just crazy.
And it was a little ass dog
Yeah.
too, because I was thinking it was gonna be like a German Shepherd or something.
Yeah.
And it was like this, like this,
Yeah.
and he had a little vest on that said working.
Don't disturb me.
And we had to have in a little plastic bags and things that
Yeah.
smelled like him. So
Yeah.
when we got downstairs, the trainer or owner or whatever like pulled the stuff out of the bag and gave it to him, and he's like,
And it was extremely cheap too, because the doggy just had a mission. The dog and the trainer, they were only 20 kilometers away, and their fee was €1 per kilometer. So they came. It was $20, €20, and then
Really?
the whole thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
This
where
o-
did they find Jax?
well, they didn't.
Yeah, because the dog was trained so in such way that it wouldn't go right next to the animal it's tracking.
Oh, okay.
It would stop like, what was it, 20 meters, and then say it's here. But where he stopped was a park, and there was nothing but green leaves and bushes, and it was like, okay, it's here somewhere. So we started making tracks, scent tracks. But it was midnight.
She went under the thing. Let me shut this. You want me to shut the screen or the?
Yeah, you can shut it. So I think first we just need to put a little bit of air in my bike.
We'll just start. Alcohol's not safe for me right now because I'm about to go to sleep. So definitely coffee. They're like different.
It's just a regular coffee.
Oh, that's fine then.
Usually. Yeah, just espresso, double espresso, latte cappuccino.
Latte cappuccino is what they call it for coffee?
Or latte or cappuccino.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try latte.
This is my friend.
Kari's like, whatever.
I don't want to get burned like I did
Oh, when
last
you.
year, if you remember.
Where were we? Where were we?
Dawson's Creek.
At the beach. Well, we're not gonna be out that long.
No, I don't.
But what beach were we? Oh, at in North Carolina. Where am I sure?
I got like a police station.
Yeah, but you were out there for a long time.
Like I started shivering.
It was
I got
bad.
back to the hotel room. It was like,
Jax had the
I couldn't-
loyalty. He was just sitting there looking at you like,
yeah, like you loser.
Oh no.
drug me to a foreign land.
Yeah. Like if you die now, how do I get home?
Does Jax plot on y'all?
Yeah. Pretty sure Jax would eat me. I think he would give me a good 24 hours out of respect, and then he would eat me.
I mean, if it's a matter of life and death.
Yeah, but I think he'd give me 24
He
hours.
said if it's the matter.
No, I mean this happened. I'm sure it happens in America too, but here, everything's automated. Like there's been pensioners being found from their home, like mummified, like after 3 or 5 years, or yeah.
Because they don't
Yeah.
have any family who checks on them, and their bills automatically get paid, and then they automatically get their pension, and it's
comes
just...
automatic. Everything, So
It's like when the mail piles up enough to reach the mail slot, and then the mailman's like, oh.
But there was an unbelievable case last year, which we were all like, "But how the hell can that happen?" There was a person in an office building, and when
went to use bathroom, lost it all, never comes out, and the co-workers, like, they waited for a week to start wondering, like, where is this person? And they found her, I think it was her.
And it's Pride Month, so that's why you see many rainbow flags.
Oh, is it? You know, I didn't even notice. But maybe because every day is Pride Day in Atlanta. Are they having any festivals?
Yeah, they are. The big one this month. Oh, getting confused.
It's quite toasty in here. It's warm in here.
Yeah. That's the thing about Finland is it's so cold most of the time that a lot of buildings don't have AC.
Oh, okay. Makes
So
sense.
when it's actually hot, it feels like hell.
Oh, you're funny, Kari. It's so funny because when people notice it, like.
But people vlog all the time, so I don't think that's a problem. Oh, wow.
You grab this?
Yeah.
I think I want.
Yeah, the base, if you want it to be all rice salad or half and half, I like the half and half. And then two of the mains. Dad was asking about the salmon. This one is like completely raw. This is raw with like the spice mixed in it, or like the mayo. And then this one is cooked.
Okay. I kind of like.
Nice.
Oh,
Send it to me.
I think I forgot the.
I actually love that it's like a casual vibe here, though.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. It's very casual, and you know, people leave you alone. So that's what many people abroad like.
Oh, okay. It's not support.
Did you use your American Express?
No. I use my debit.
Did it work?
No, American Express doesn't work here. So I had
Did
to
you
use-
call them ahead of
I had
time?
to use a Visa. They don't take American Express.
Oh, okay.
Well, American Express isn't taking many places.
They charge.
Probably astronomical
They
fees.
charge like 2 times
Oh,
what everyone else charges for fees.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah, no, I just use my USA. So how much is this in dollars? I guess I could put a thing on my phone.
Yeah, because
Or does it come on Apple software?
No, I used to have like a manual thing. It's probably in the cloud because I haven't used it in so long.
Like a currency
I'm the
converter?
only
Yeah.
one with an Android phone.
Thank you. That's how I remember it.
Keto, yeah.
Keto with an S.
Yeah.
Not that I do keto. I don't know why that even popped in my
Because
head.
I couldn't help it. I had a burger right before we came to the kitchen. Guy sent me a suggestion for itineraries, and we also have we can use our own. We cannot bring us
The only thing sucky about this camera is the zoom is not that strong at all. Like I'm all the way zoomed.
I guess the optics isn't that big.
I guess. But I love it other than that.
Check it out. So this is the usually where people are like when they see the church right here.
Oh, cool.
It's got construction behind it.
Oh yeah, what is
Oh
going
no,
on?
construction on top of it.
Everything is under construction.
There's a crane.
Well, you got to see 80%.
Oh.
Oh man.
You can get reindeer roast with reindeer groat sausage or tender braised bear.
Cause ain't nothing like some tough bear.
But I think last time we came here, I got reindeer and it was good, and Dad got reindeer and it was questionable.
Tender braided bear. Braised bear.
Braided. Not braided. Fruit Dad? Instead of your pastries?
In addition to the pastry.
I do want to try it because I'm so sick of like watery strawberries.
Apricot. Let me have that half liter.
Do you mind if they go in the same bag?
Sure. No problem.
Did you get strawberries?
No, you want strawberry?
Can you get some?
Anything else?
One of these for strawberries.
Yeah, which one? You can pick one yourself.
Oh. I don't know. This one? Thank you.
Inspectors. That's what they look like.
The what?
Ticket inspectors.
Oh.
Those are the guys.
Really?
Yeah, there
So
we go.
when you see them, you
It's not a
run.
myth.
Get off
There
The
they
men
are.
in black?
There they are.
Yeah, well, they call them Smurfs actually.
Really?
Well, because it's blue. The Smurfs are coming.
That's funny.
Those guys can give.
He must be coming back around.
Where you got this from?
You get it? Look, they're fighting. They're behind you. There. Look.
Ratchet ass bird.
Oh my god.
I told him they were coming for his pastry.
Oh my gosh, I got one bite.
That's God telling you didn't need that.
I'm happy. Who has the biggest piece now? 'Cause I think- Did they all?
That was so good.
They must have known that when they was like, "That's that pastry, get it." Don't they sound like bad kids?
Yeah.
They do sound like bad kids.
Tell me you got that on tape.
No.
I wish not the snap. I heard it.
it was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, right back to Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on bottle stop. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it.
Back in the hotel. We just did a lot of early sightseeing today. Immediately got off the plane and started moving around, but let's go in our room. I'm ready to settle down, y'all. So let's go. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. So this is the room. You have to put the key in to activate the power so you can see. So over here we have a nice little closet with all the necessary amenities, like, or accessories or whatever, the things you might need: ironing board, shoes, slippers, shoe horn, hair dryer, robe. And then we have a nice little mini fridge area over here, a safe. They do keep the mini fridge stocked. Okay. And then the actual room. So it's pretty small, but I think that's to be expected in this area in downtown Helsinki. And then you have a balcony with this room. So let's go take a look. This is nice. So a little sitting area and a nice view. I'm gonna zoom some. And y'all, the weather is pretty perfect. It's about, I think the high right now is only about maybe 70. Between 65 and 70. The lows are around 50, 55, but it feels so nice out here. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going back out there. Right now, I'll close this back. Okay, put this little thing in there. Ooh, I'm zoomed all in my face. Y'all, I look rough. I need a shower. I have not, like, off the plane, and we got straight on bikes and started sightseeing. We ate. We had a good old time. Love it. But I didn't do many pictures of myself today because, yes, okay, Finland is very like a casual city. So nobody, like, you can't tell who falls under which socioeconomic class, which is great because everybody's kind of relaxed and chill. Nobody's really being extra fancy schmancy. You dress for comfort around here. I love that. But as far as picture taking, as for me and mine, we want some cute pictures. So I'm going to still be very casual tomorrow. I might actually have this very same outfit on that I have on today. Let me go show y'all in the mirror. I might have the same thing on in a different color tomorrow, possibly. Let's see if I can show y'all. Oh, I didn't show y'all the bathroom, so you get to see the bathroom too. It's all black. It's just the all black two-piece set from Amazon. I think I showed it in my prep vlog. And then I have on my Nike sneakers. Oh wait, can you see them? Which are very cute. Silver and black Nike, silver, white, and black Nike sneakers. But here's the bathroom. Here's the shower. Very nice, very nice. And they have Crabtree toiletries, but I brought my own stuff because my skin is so sensitive. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get something sweet because I'm a big girl at heart. I'm about to go get something sweet. I'm about to get some water. Oh yeah, FYI here, they don't really, they have bottled waters because this is a hotel and Hilton is very Americanized, as it's very Americanized to be expected in this hotel. But you don't really need bottled water here. Tap water is very clean, very delicious, very nutritious. So I got some ice, and really I'll just be drinking straight out the tap. But anywho, y'all. So, we may or may not come back tonight. We'll see. But if not, good night. See you tomorrow. Y'all, I'm about to go to bed because I'm jet lagged and it's our first night here. But just look at this. And the reason I'm showing you this again is because it's 10 o'clock at night. 10 p.m. Post morning. I don't know what PM stand for. Past midnight, pre-midnight, past morning. It's late, okay? And it's bright as hell outside. Thank God for blackout curtains. Yeah, that's just me, you know. I don't know. I don't be knowing. My sister did warn me. But Lord, I wasn't prepared. But yeah, I'm about to close these curtains and call it a night. Back up. Good morning, y'all. So I am up and about to call my sister, see what's up for today. But I think, even though it says it's the same temperature, I think I'm gonna need a heavier jacket. It's a little nippy. I'm about to go. I'm not really hungry yet, but I think I better get started on finding out what I'm gonna eat. They have these pancakes that are really like crepes, and I really want to try them. My brother-in-law Kari had some yesterday, and now I'm kind of craving it, so we shall see. I'm a little upset because I bought 2 different mounts for my camera so that I could bike ride and record, and one of them I could tell is not going to work at all. The other one I left at home. And I left my memory card converter that would allow me to take my memory card out of this camera and transfer my footage over to my laptop so I can start editing. So we might have to find like a camera shop or something today, because what are we doing? What's going on? But yeah, let's change this jacket and then I think we're gonna get on the move. I just drooled. Oh my God, get my life together. Okay. Hey, I hope I'm not too late. I forgot the ponytail, to ask you about the ponytail holder.
No, it's a good time. I'll throw some in my bag.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I'll probably leave in like 5 minutes, but I'll call you when I'm walking out.
Okay, that's fine. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, I think I got the stabilizer. I mean the thing for my camera situated. It's a little funky because the Pocket 3 camera is a little long, so it's stable on the base. Like this is the base of the Pocket 3, the extender base that I have screwed on here. So it's very stable, and then I snapped the top of the Pocket 3 on here in the sense that it's not going to fall off. But oh, I need some more lipstick. I don't like this color. Sorry, very random. But I don't know how stable it is as far as it not being too wobbly. Now, even though there's a stabilizer on the camera and it kind of steadies the shot, it's a little different on the bike. I don't know how well it'll work. But we're about to walk down to my dad and do a test run, okay? Let's go. And we walk. Are you coming? Dad, you move like granddaddy. Dad, what you doing? You move like granddaddy. Okay, I got. But you see how this is sitting? Like it almost needs this. It's on here fine. It's screwed on. It's not coming off, but it's just. But let me show you the footage.
Because I ride a bike, that after a couple of months my pants wear here.
Okay.
Great. Just try this on.
Are those like the ones you have on?
No, they're like tighter with the belt.
What size are they going to?
Kiipeilyareenaa vastapäätä aina maanantaisin kello 17.19. Lisätietoja ja koko aikataulun löydät osoitteesta tutkimus...
Dad!
Depends on if you want food or like just a sandwich and coffee.
What you want there?
I already ate it.
We'll go to the coffee house. Dad, you ain't even trying no more. That's the thing. You just gave up.
These a lot. So this one is ham and cheese, and this one is chicken and mozzarella, and this one is goat cheese and
Pesto on there.
it's like pecan and honey.
I might try that one with the pesto, mozzarella, chicken. Yeah. Oh, and they have like brews and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, you know what I mean. I don't.
It's not like the place we're at.
What is okay? When it says far left under Sesonki, the J with the double A's. What is that?
Is that blueberry?
Where? Yeah, it's a blueberry pie. Sorry, the J with the double A.
Far left row, second subtitle, and latte is what it says after it.
Oh yeah, coffee. It's iced coffee and latte.
Oh, okay. I'll do that then. Okay, so I'm gonna get.
So it looks like they have actually. It's just the iced latte and an iced americano.
Okay.
Or you can get an iced chai or a iced chai matcha.
Chai matcha. I do like matcha. I might try that. Matcha doesn't have as much caffeine as regular coffee, right?
I just know it's green and it tastes nice.
Where'd you see that?
Where? It's under at the very bottom.
Oh, the matcha. Okay. Hi. Can I get iced matcha vanilla,
Yep.
and then this chicken pesto sandwich.
Yep.
Okay, thanks. Cool.
We can stop right there. No, actually, the city center. Because the thing is, when you are looking for darker shades, because I mean, it is Finland.
Work January probably to December the 14th.
But the only trade-off is that salaries here are lower. But
You don't have to spend so much of it on things like healthcare. I mean, after you've already paid in or education.
or transportation, my month unlimited bus pass is 67 euros, and they just raised the prices here, and people were like fuming about it. But I think it's been accepted now.
How much?
67 euros
For how long?
a month.
That gives you access to.
Everything we've done now, plus the train. But that's inside Helsinki. The further outside of Helsinki you go, the more expensive it gets. But I don't.
Will it?
No, that's not going to stay.
Yeah, no.
Hit things and it'll fall.
Okay, looks like it might be the chest strap.
I just want you to be comfortable. Yeah, good.
Okay.
You're in front.
Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. A 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop until the beat comes, says to be the short shot. Come on, I met this girl when I was 10 years old, and what I love most, she had so much soul. She was old school, and I was just a shorty, never knew. Throughout my life, she would be there for me on a regular. Not a church girl, she was secular. Not about the money, those stuff was like checking her, but I respected her. She hit me in the heart. A few New York niggas had dinner in the park, but she was there for me, and I was there for her. Pull out a chair for her, turn on the air for her, and just cool out and listen to her. Sitting on bone, wishing that I could do eventually. If it was meant to be, then it would be, cause we related physically and mentally, and she was fun then. I'd be geeked when she come around. Slim was fresh, Joe, when she was underground. Original, pure, untampered, down sister. Oh, I tell you, I miss her. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. A 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. A confidence, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. You act, yo, we gotta be the short shot. That periodically I would see old girl at the clubs and at the house party. She didn't have a body, but she started getting thick quick. Did a couple of videos and became Afrocentric. Out goes the weave, in goes the raised beads medallions. She was on that tip about stopping the violence. About my people she was teaching me. Why not preaching to me, but speaking to me in a method that was leisurely, so easily I approach. She dug my rap, that's how we got close. But then she broke to the West Coast, and that was cool, cause around the same time, I went away to school, and I'm a man up expanding, so why should I stand in her way? She probably get up money in LA, and she did stud, she got big trouble, what was foul? She said that the pro-black was going out of style. She said Afrocentricity was of the past, but she got into R&B, hip-hop, space, and jazz. Now black music is black music, and it's all good. I wasn't salty, she was with the boys in the hood. Cause I was due for her, she was becoming well-rounded. I thought it was dope how she was on that freestyle shit, just having fun. Not worried about anyone, and you can tell by how her titties hung. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. stop. Until the beat calm, gotta be the short shot. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Check it on, check it. Bust. I might have failed to mention that the chick was creative. Once the man got to her, he altered her native. Told her if she got an image and a gimmick, then she can make money. And she did it like a dummy. Now I see her in commercials.
That's God telling you didn't need that.
Yeah, always.
The reason I'm showing you this again is because it's 10 o'clock at night. 10 p.m.
Telling me sad stories. Now she only fucks with the funk. Stressing out hardcore and real shit. She was really the realest before she got into showbiz. I did her, not just to say I did it, but I'm committed. But so many niggas hit it that she's just not the same, letting all these goofies do her. I see niggas slamming her and taking it to the sewer, but I'ma take her back, hoping that the shit stop. Cause who I'm talking about, y'all, is hip-hop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. The mainframe, yo, they gotta be the short shot. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. The 1-2 consensus go to drop. Ha 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 ha. I used to love her. I used to love her.